Hello, I'm Leon.
And I'm Hadley.
And we're the homeschool people. Today we are making a Christmas tree. And if you are using one-sided origami paper, start with the white side up. First, we are going to put it into a diamond position and then fold it in half. Don't worry, Hadley. I'll wait. Make sure your folds are precise. Don't worry if they're a little bit off. Now, fold this little part up a little, just a little bit. Then we're going to fold these parts to the center line that we made. Do the same to the other side. Oh, Hadley. Look like this.
Oh. Sorry.
We will do it on the other side.
Help her make sure she's getting this right.
You just do it like this.
I'll do the other side.
Yes. Now we will do this, but only crease it. We fold and unfold this part to the center line, as you can see, then unfold it. How you doing there, Hadley?
Hi.
Now we are going to fold this part up to the top.
Is this good?
It's like this. It should have this shape.
Yes.
Then we are going to fold this part down.
That's the tree stump.
And make it as big as you want for the tree stump. I'm going to make my tree stump. I'm gonna make my tree stump this big. And now, you ready, Hadley? Now fold these parts to the center line. Do it again with this side.
I think I got it.
Show me.
Oh, yeah.
Now flip it over. And you did it. We did it. We've made a Christmas tree. Now make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Goodbye.
Bye.